It's another hairstyle tricks. Dark bonus music. Let's go. Godlina, another hairstyle guru. Godlina, I like the way you teach it. I like the way you style it. I like your hairstyle. I like the beauty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. It's a big honor to have you on the channel. In today's video, we are doing another review. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we do reviews. So if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming here to watch my video. So we'll take you straight to Nayoo. I got this hair from Nayoo. I got it $23.99. You know, I like good news and I always want to share it with you. So I got a good news for you. And the good news is this hair has 10% coupon. Yeah, hooray. You can apply the 10% and automatically the price is going to reduce for you. So the length is 22 inch and I got it $23.99. As I said earlier, it has 10% coupon as I said earlier. So kindly make a purchase and you are not going to regret, because the hair is very affordable, very quality, very beautiful as you can see, and it looks good on you. So I know it is going to look good on you as well. Make a purchase and you are not going to regret. Every information concerning the hair will be in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. Click on it and make a purchase. Then thank me later. So I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to buy your hair from Nayoo. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Till I come your way next time. See you in the next video. Always know I love you. Enjoy how we are going to install the hair. Thanks once again. So this is the hair. Okay, I've actually removed the net from it already. So this is the hair, and it has this middle part. Yeah, the middle part, and it's very, very beautiful. So this is how the inside looks. Okay, very neat. It came with the holder, this one, the band. Okay, it has some comb inside, and it has the lace as well. Okay, so when wearing this, you can just use your powder or pond's or your concealer to color the pattern so that it can give you that natural look. Okay. This brush, yeah, they added this, so you can see it's very affordable. Upon all how affordable it is, they added the brush, they added the hair net as well, and it is still $23.99. Is it not affordable? It is. So I highly recommend this for you to make a purchase. You are not going to regret. Kindly make a purchase and you are going to love it. This free to comb as well. You don't have any struggles when combing it. Thanks once again. So I'll go ahead and install the hair so that you can see how easy it is. So yeah, just throw it on like this. Yeah, like this. You position it, and whether you want the pattern to be in the middle or you want it sideways like this, yeah, anywhere you want it to be, you can just go ahead and yeah. So I'm just going to let it be in the middle. Onto the middle. you can decide to cut the lace and then use your glue to close it, or just forget about it without using your glue. Okay, so it can be glueless or you can use your glue. Thanks for coming, and always know that I love you. Do not forget to visit their website and make a purchase. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Kindly click on it and make a purchase. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos. So I come your way next time. See you in the next one. Bye.